Quantitative risk analysis. Quantitative is actual dollars and cents, real money. Not to be confused with qualitative, which is on a scale. Here we're looking at actual dollars and cents. Now, in this quantitative, we've got some terms we need to define. Exposure factor, the amount of the asset at risk, usually expressed as a percentage. The asset value, how much the asset is worth. Now, bear in mind, the asset value is more than the purchase price of it. It's how much it costs to replace, how much it costs to train people, any maintenance agreements you have on it, any updates, value to others, liability that you have, how much you would lose if it was not available. All of that plays into its asset value. To get the single loss expectancy, or SLE, we take the asset value and multiply it by the exposure factor. So generally written out as AV times EF. That gives us our SLE, or single loss expectancy. How much we're going to lose in a single attack. We have ALE here off to the right. Now, ALE, we need one other thing to calculate it. How often an attack will occur. And then we have the ARO for that, the annual rate of occurrence. If it happens 3 times a year, our ARO is 3. If it happens once every 5 years, our ARO is 0.2. We take our SLE and our ARO and multiply them by each other. That gives us our ALE. So ALE is the SLE multiplied by the ARO. The SLE is calculated by the asset value multiplied by the exposure factor.